Cooking with Jonesy. Here we go. Start with a glass bowl in your air fryer. Then use a disposable aluminum plate on top of that. Poke some holes in it. Then we're going to put the plate on it. And then we're going to use those paper liners. See, look, I've got a whole pound of ground beef in there. I'm putting it on broil. In the meantime, I'm making my bacon. Cut it in half, put it in the paper, put the paper plate underneath. Notice my microwave is clean. Now I'm going to put a paper plate on top, no splattering. And then I'm going to use this plastic thing to cover it. But in the meantime, my hamburger meat's done. So I just literally take that out, throw it away. All clean. Yeah, there's a little grease. Just wipe it off with a paper towel. And look, nothing underneath. Done. Nothing on the mat underneath. So we're done with that. Just wipe it off with a paper towel and you can use it again. I also wipe the inside of my air fryer every use. That keeps it from getting this buildup. So now back to the bacon. It's done in 4 minutes for 4 slices. It's maybe a little rare, but you can see not a big mess in the microwave, just a simple wipe out. I put it and let it drain. And then I drain off all of the grease from the bacon right into the garbage can, pat the bacon dry, and then I turn around and put my eggs into that paper. Notice I poke them so that they don't explode. Put some cheese on top, back in the microwave, 2 minutes and 57 seconds for 4 eggs. Cover it up, no mess in the microwave. Here, look, they're done. And they're easily to come right out of the pan. No mess. No mess. And then I made the bacon a little, I didn't think the hamburger was done enough, so I kind of threw it in the microwave just for a minute. Of course, you want to keep your knives clean. You can wipe them off with one of those used paper towels. And that gets most of the grease off. Just use the used paper towel before you throw it away. And then I soak them in a glass, right? That makes sure that they don't have caked on stuff that doesn't come off in the dishwasher. And I put my bacon back in because it's just not crispy enough. Notice no mess in the microwave. And there it is, crispy, perfect bacon. And then I put the top lid in the microwave, the dishwasher. And you can see I put this is my hack. I put the whole cup in the dishwasher until the end of the day. Then I throw out the water, put the cup on the top, flip the silverware over, and it comes perfectly clean. That's right. That's Cooking with Jonesy. No muss, no fuss, and you're done. Speaking of hacks, here's a good one for you and Nicholas for a little treat. And hey, I'm off shooting. Look at all those bullseyes. Woo, woo, 25 yards, baby. Let's go. See you soon.